Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing this business class bag from Qatar Airways. This is pretty cool because it's Qatar. Qatar is an amazing airline and I'm so excited to get right into it. Let me just start off here. They have this nice plastic around it. Let me open this up. Here you have this like Qatar Airways bag. Very nice pattern and everything. And then right here it says Qatar Airways. So now if I open this up, it's like a little pin pop. You just pop that open. And the first thing you're going to feel in here feels like, yep, you got some nice socks. It's kind of a theme. I don't know why a lot of the airlines, if you watch my previous videos on airline business class bags, a lot of them have socks like that. Here you have a face like covering or for sleeping, but this one is pretty cool because it actually says Qatar on the inside. None of them are actually branded. That one says Qatar, which is pretty cool. Here you have some earbuds. You have a toothbrush and toothpaste that actually says Qatar. Let me see if I can, yep, there it is, Qatar. There's the logo. And that's it for the Qatar business class bag. If you're going to be flying on a Qatar business class soon, you want to know what to expect, you get a nice little bag that says Qatar, you get a Qatar branded toothbrush and toothpaste, you get some earplugs, you get a Qatar branded eye mask, and some socks. Thank you so much, Qatar Airways, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.